What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Hunt Family Off-Road. As you can tell by the title, today we'll be showing you the process of how we installed our new CBI Overland bed rack. While the pups check it out, let's go ahead and show the install. As you can see, we have the truck all prepped and ready. This is what the bed rack comes in. It comes in 2 boxes from CBI, so let's go ahead and open these up. The rack was pretty well protected. It was packed with paper as well as wrapped in styrofoam and plastic wrap, so I didn't see any damage right away. So we're good to go, and let's go ahead and get all the pieces out and start to install. Checking out the welds on the rack. The welds seem pretty good. This is also an aluminum rack. You can tell it's machine welded. My wife is a welder as well, and she said they were pretty good, but we both agree that they could have been cleaned up a lot better and grinded down for a more seamless finish. But other than that, we were pretty happy with how they are. The hardware that comes with this rack are 4 plates that slide in your bed rail system, 2 types of bolts, nuts, and washers. Unfortunately, we will be doing this install inside the garage today, but as you can see, it's pouring rain. Alright, so this did not come with instructions, so I'm just kind of guessing here. CBI does have install guides on their website, however they don't have anything with this rack when it comes to components. So fingers crossed I do this correctly. I started with sliding the metal plates down the track system and then putting the side rails in place. I'm just hand tightening everything for now, and when I get everything where I want it to, I'll secure it down further. But there are 4 bolts you put in each bed rack on the side rails, as well as 4 washers for each bolt. Moving on to the second one here, it's just going to be the same process, just rinse and repeat. As I said earlier, this rack is aluminum, however the crossbars are still steel. And to give you some sort of reference, just one of the crossbars is heavier than one full side rail. So the sides are pretty light. Finally, moving on to the crossbars. This was a very easy process, however very tedious and time consuming. There are 8 bolts and 16 washers to install on each crossbar. Since I had to do this in the garage, I really couldn't fully stand up while I did this, and it was totally killing my back, as I'm sure you can see. I tried sitting down and doing it, but that wasn't very effective because I couldn't really see what I was doing. Eventually my wife came in and she listened to me complain about my back, so she gave me a cooler to sit on, and it made things a lot easier. So here I am, an Allen wrench in one hand and a socket wrench in the other, just ratcheting my life away. And while I finish up my last bolt on this bar, on which seems to be in forever, with my back aching, I realize I could have been using my impact drill this entire time.
You stupid!
With that being said, let's go ahead and skip to the final product. Like I said, there was no instructions for this, and I was totally guessing, but this was the hardware I was left over with, so hopefully that's right. I have no idea, but fingers crossed. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching our install of our CBI Overland bed rack. Go ahead and subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you on the next one.